If you're seeing Facebook error code 3802, don't worry, because in this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get things working again fast. This error can show up when Facebook has a temporary issue, your connection is unstable, or your account needs a quick refresh. The good news is that most of the time, you can solve it in just a few minutes without any advanced steps. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On your keyboard, press F5 if you're on a computer, or use the refresh button in your browser or app if that option is available. A simple refresh often clears temporary loading issues and reconnects the page properly. After that, check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working, your mobile data is stable, and other websites or apps are loading correctly. If your connection is weak, try switching networks or restarting your router. A poor connection can trigger all kinds of Facebook errors, including error code 3802. Next, log out of your Facebook account and then log back in again. This can help reset your session and fix problems caused by a temporary logging glitch. Once you sign back in, go back to the page or feature that was giving you the error and see if it loads normally. If the issue is still there, check whether your account has any restrictions. Sometimes Facebook places temporary limits on accounts for security reasons, unusual activity, or policy checks. Look through your account notifications, support inbox, or security alerts to see if Facebook has flagged anything. If there is a restriction, follow the instructions Facebook provides to verify your account or complete any required steps. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. If refreshing the page doesn't work, try checking your connection. If your connection is fine, log out and log in again. And if the error still continues, review your account status for any restrictions. These are the fastest and safest first steps to fixing Facebook error code 3802. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.